I'm so sorry. I know that you are loving what I'm giving you, but unfortunately we have to have a break. I'll be back serving up some more of the good stuff before you know it.
You've watched him grow from boy to man. Well, almost. Viva's got a brand new teenage dirt battle series, 2.5 Men. Starts Monday, 14th of February on Viva.
Nobody around here believes in comeback. Big trip in my life. And when I got it, who's waiting for me? Nobody. Gordon Gecko is back.
Wall Street, money never sleeps. Own it now.
If debt is destroying your life, then call this number now. I was in terrible debt. Credit cards, overdrafts, everything. I thought I'd lose my home. I needed someone I could talk to. Someone who understood my problems. We called debt acceleration. We've helped over 500,000 people find practical ways to take control of their debt. For me, they dealt with my lenders, and now I only pay back what I can afford. They give straightforward debt advice, and you can be sure to receive the best standard of service. That's because Debt-Free Direct are members of the Debt Managers Standards Association and follow their strict consumer code. So call them now